My dear students, I am Pathak Sir from Modern English High School, Guwahati. The question which I have selected here, that is from quadratic equation. Question is given in the words, we have to translate it into the equation, and after that you have to find out the value of unknown quantity which is asked here. Here you see two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill up the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. It is very clear when we are talking about a tap of larger diameter, that means it is thicker tap. It can carry more water in less time. When we are talking about the tap of a smaller diameter, you should understand the tap is thin and it can carry less quantity of water to fill up the tank. Now you see, when both the taps are working together, then total 9 and 3/8 hours time is required to fill up the tank. Condition is given that the larger tap, suppose separately they are filling up the tank, then the tap of larger diameter, it takes 10 hours less than the tap of a smaller diameter to fill up the tank. Then both the tap, if they are working separately, then how much time each tap takes? What we have to suppose here? We have to suppose here, let a tap of larger diameter, means larger tap is what? Thicker tap. Larger diameter takes, or first of all a smaller, not larger, a tap of a smaller diameter takes X hours to fill up the tank. Therefore, tap of larger diameter, it will take less time. How much less time? 10 hours less time. Tap of larger diameter takes X minus 10 hours to fill up the same tank. My dear students, now you have to make the equation as I am thinking you see. If a tank is filled up in X hour, that means what? Whole tank is filled up in X hour for the thinner pipe of or tap of a smaller diameter. That means in 1 hour, how much tank will be filled up by the smaller tap of a smaller diameter? You see, you have to write. Therefore, part of the tank is filled up by a smaller tap in 1 hour is equal to how much? It will be 1 by x. Why it is so? You know unitary method. In the case of unitary method, roughly I am doing in x hour 1 tank. Therefore, in 1 hour, how much? 1 by x tank. Like that we are writing. In, therefore, how much time? 9 and 3 by 8 hours. That means what time you are taking? In 9, 3 by 8. 9 and 3 by 8 hours. How much tank will be filled up? 1 by x into this much time. That is unity method. So, you came to know. So, sentence you understood. Part of the tank is filled up by a smaller tape in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x. My dear students, these things you understood nicely. Therefore, we are writing, therefore, part of the tank, or part of it is you don't write. Part of the tank filled up by a smaller tape in 1 hour is equal to this one. Part of the tank filled up by a smaller tape in how many hours? Here you see 9 and 3 by 8 hours. 9 and 3 by 8 hour. You can write only hour here. Hour is equal to how much? Or hours here you write is equal to, you multiply 1 by x into 9, 3 by 8 hours. Means 8 into 9, 72 and plus 3, 75. So you are writing 75 by 8x hours. Clear? Similarly, we can write part of the tank filled up by larger tape in 1 hour is equal to how much? 1 by x minus t, because it is reaching. Tape of larger diameter takes x minus 1 hours to fill up 1 tank. So in 1 hour how much? 1 by x minus t. So part of the tank filled up by larger tape in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x minus t. Therefore, part of the tank filled up by larger tape in how many hours? Here it is written in 1 hour you have written. So in how many hours? Here together they are working 9 and 3 by 8 hours. So, or simply you can write 75 by 8 hours. In 75 by 8 hours is equal to, here I am writing, is equal to 75 by 8 into 1 by x minus 10 hours. My dear students, up to here it is very much clear, but they together in 9 and 3 by 8 hours. This is also 9 and 3 by 8 hours only. So fill up 110. That means what? Why hours I am writing? Sorry, why? Here should be written part. Here should be written 1 by x. So this should be part. Here also you write part, not hour. Here also please correct. In this much hour, this will be part. Now these together you copy it nicely. I am going to rub it. Have you corrected here? I think you might have corrected here. Here you see, according to question, this plus this total is 1 tank. So you can write 75 by 8x plus this one, 75 into 1, 75. 75 by 8 into this one, 8 into x minus 10. That is equal to 1 tank. Total means what? One part is what? Complete tank. 1 tank. Now, here, what can you take LCM or common you take? 75, 75. So, 75 by 8 you take common. Then what remains? 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10. That is equal to, you are getting 1. Therefore, let 75 by 8 go that side. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Now LCM you take x minus 10. So here will be what? X will divide it. So x cancel, x minus 10 you are getting. X minus 10 cancel. Then what remains? X remains. That is equal to 8 by 75. Here you multiply here. X 2x minus 10 x square minus 10x, that is equal to 8 by 75 you are getting. Cross multiplication. 8 into this was what you are getting? 8 x square minus 80x, that is equal to 75 to the 150x minus 10 into 75, you are getting 75 and 0 you write there. Now, dear friends, you see what you have to do. Bring everything to the left hand side. 8x square minus 80x. You see minus 80x and this will also come this side. So minus, it will be also minus. So 150x and 80x together it will be how much? 50 plus 50 you are getting 200. 230 you are getting. 230x. Let 750 come this side. So it will be plus 750. That is equal to 0. My dear students, something can be taken common here. What can be taken common here? You can take 2 common. 4 you cannot take. 4 5s are 20. 30 will not go by 4. So by 2 you divide. So 2x square, 4x square you are getting here. 8x square divided by 2, 4x square. 2 1s are 2. 15x plus 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. That is equal to 0 you are getting. Now split middle term. So you factorize by splitting middle term. 4x square minus, here x you write here, instead of 115 I have made gap 375, that is equal to 0. You do one thing, here is plus, so you must have to write plus. Here what you have to do, 4 into this much, what you are getting, 375 into 4, because coefficient of x square and the constant term should be multiplied. 4 5s are 20, 2, 4 7s are 28 and 2 30 in Henry, 4 3s are 12 and 3 15. So you are getting all together 1500. My dear students, here you write two terms in such a way, their multiplication should be 1500, but addition should be what? 150. It is very easy. You factorize it, you will get idea. Here 100 plus 15, 100 plus 15 you are getting 150, and 100 into 15 you are getting 1500. So think is very easy. Now 4x square you take common, 100 into x, 100x, minus plus minus 15x plus 375, that is equal to 0. You take here something common, you take 4x common. So what comes here? X minus 25. 15 you take common. Then what remains? X minus plus minus plus 15. You divide it. 15 2 ja 30. 15 5 ja 75. So you are getting like that. Again, what happens? Do you understand? X minus 25 into 4x minus 15, that is equal to 0. Now, dear friends, I am rubbing above to create some space. Here you see, either x minus 25 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 25 or x is equal to, 4x is equal to 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 by 4. Therefore, if x is equal to 25, then you are getting x minus 10. X minus 10 you will get 25 minus 10 is equal to, you are getting how much? 50. So very clearly it is like that. If you are taking x is equal to 25, not 25, 15 by 4, then x minus 10, what you are getting? 15 by 4 minus 10, that is equal to, you are getting 15 minus 40 by 4. You are getting, you subtract, you are getting minus 10 minus 5, 5, 4 will remain 3, 3 minus 1, 2 you are getting, that is equal to 4. That means, do you understand? If the tape of smaller diameter takes 15 by 4 hours, then tape of a larger diameter take minus 25 by 4. But time can never be negative. it cannot be, you can write, therefore x is equal to 15 by 4. X cannot be, x not equal to 15 by 4, or we cannot accept, therefore we can not accept 15 by 4. X is equal to 15 by, x is equal to 15 by 4, because in this case time taken by the larger tape to fill up the tank becomes negative. Therefore, my dear students, time taken by the larger tape to fill up the tank is equal to how many hours? 25. X is equal to 25. 20 is equal to 25 hours. Also, time taken by the what I have written large, right, it should be a smaller tape, because x is equal to 25 is for a smaller tape. Time taken by the smaller tape to fill up the tank is equal to 25 hours. Therefore, time taken by the larger tape to fill tank is equal to 25 minus x minus how much? X minus 10. So 25 minus 10 hours. So you are getting how many hours? 15 hours. I think you understood. The question was very big, but the answer is not so big. My dear students, you understood and keep okay.